Hey, are you learning English vocabulary every day? Well, I guess so. Today, we are going to update our words or our vocabulary from Band 6 to Band 8 by the IELTS selection. Let's take a look at the first word right here. So this word is think. So I think the word think, this is so common in use, especially in both spoken English and written English. So right now, I got three options for y'all, so you can use which one that you prefer. But I think, okay, let's begin for the first word right here. So when you use the word think, you can use the word ponder, deliberate, and speculate. Ponder means you think something deeply, and also you spend time. Means you needs to take the specific amount of time and think forward or think ahead of something else, right? This is about you enjoy thinking something carefully, but with specific period of time, preparing for the next coming things, something like that. So that's why when you ponder about something, this is mean you carefully think about something for a long time. The next word is deliberate. So deliberate, this is the verb, but you prefer to use as the adjective. We have it, but different pronunciation. Adjective, we pronounce deliberate. Yeah, deliberate. But as the verb, we pronounce deliberate. So deliberate means you think carefully about something, maybe like restrict on something, right? You try to be so meticulous to think about something. And that would be the same term of using as the word think. But this one is a bit complicated to use, right? And the next one, this is speculate. So speculate, this is good as the word you actually guess. So you don't have any information or you don't have enough information to explain or think about something else. You actually guess it. So you can use this word like speculate, speculate. All right, go to the next. We got the word support. So the word support here, we got three words as the alternatives. So the first word is advocate. So advocate as the verb, we sound advocate, right? Advocate. But if you prefer to use this word as the noun, the pronunciation is quite different. It would be advocate as the noun. That means the person who supports other people, public, statement of some kind. So advocate, this is the verb, means to support somebody as the public statement or in the public way. Means you, for example, that would be the campaign or some kind like that, and you prefer to support someone, on social media, some kind like that. So you're about to advocate them strongly or actually, whatever it would be. So the next one, it would be endorse. So endorse like that. So endorse, this is the word we can use to support somebody as well to do something. I think that would be the good term to use this one. And also the next one is uphold. So uphold means you defend something by supporting it, right? It would be you defend something for the right term. You don't want to change your opinion or your idea, your statement, whatever. You still think whatever you try to uphold would be the specific correction of something that would be needed to defend it, right? Or needed to be supported or become supportive of that thing. So that would be the point you can use the word uphold. Okay, go to the third word. We got the word stop. So stop here, you can see I got two words for you as well. So the first one, discontinue. So when you say you discontinue as the verb, right? You discontinue to do something means you stop doing something, right? You stop to do that because there's no options for y'all or for you to keep going. You feel it's kind of like I don't like that anymore. I think my support is expired. My support is invalid for long term. So I choose to be not going anymore. So you prefer to say, all right, for this campaign, I choose to say discontinue, right? I discontinue supporting him or to support him, right? So it means stop helping, right? Stop doing something, whatever. It could be the point like that. So the next word, this is suspend. So the word suspend, I think this one is good. And this is one of my favorite words. I like using this one when I am talking to anybody, but with the correct terms of speaking English, so I prefer to use this one, like suspend, suspend, right? Suspend, but don't confuse this pronunciation with the word suspect. All right, suspect. We are talking about a person is surely committed crime. You know, a person got involved with a crime, so we call him or her would be suspect. But this one, this is not suspect as the noun. This one is as the verb. Okay, we use it to uh, suspend. All right. For example, if the schedule of doing particular or the schedule of celebrating the events or it's not gonna happen means it's going to suspend. Right. Time is gonna be stopped. So it won't happen like that. So it means it's stopped. But this is gonna be it's supposed to be used in the particular events relating to the term of schedule, timetable, right? Or the specific time of doing something, specific date. So we may use this one. Go to the next one here, develop. So I think the word develop, we got three words as well as the alternatives. So the first one, evolve. So evolve, this is a good term to use. The next one, progress. Yeah, progress. For example, this is the verb. I need to progress my speaking skill, right? And also advance as the verb. You can use the word advance, right? Advance, advance. We need to advance our country in particular protocols or particular regulations. Make sure the government give great support, you know, to back up whatever. All right, so evolve, progress, advance mean develop. But yeah, the differences of word usage, I think everybody can look forward. But it's just like I try to give you the options to use, you know, but not specific thing. Every explanation to each word as the alternatives. You guys can learn for the next coming. Maybe research more as well. All right, so let's go to the next word we get. We have the word get. The word get is very simple. Many of you are using this word right now, but here this is the options. We have the word acquire, number one. Number two, obtain. So obtain means you certainly come to you know, you are certain about to get something. You get something by buying it. You get something by studying hard for that. You get something by doing something certain with your particular action. So by doing so, we consider you could use the word obtain, right? The word obtain. And also the next word is secure. So you secure something mean you get something for, you know, maybe particular purpose. I don't know. This is gonna be like the meaning of it. So let's go to we got acquire as well. So acquire, mostly we use acquire knowledge, acquire information. We acquire something, we get something. We go to get it. All right. So acquire means like that. So let's go to the next word. We got the word show. Show here. So you can take a look. We got three words as well. Demonstrate. This is the very common one that I lovely use this one all the time when I talk, speak, communicate, or converse with anybody. I prefer to use this one. That is the good term. Demonstrate, right? Demonstrate. So you demonstrate something to somebody to understand what's going on. Means you are trying to show, right? Or you are explaining as well, including. But this is exactly more complicated, also like high level, high degree of the vocabulary. So I think I recommend you guys, yeah, recommend using this one. Demonstrate means you show detail about something to somebody. Okay. So the next one, this is exhibit. So exhibit means you try to show them in the public, right? It related to these specific events. So you would like to talk about the program is going to exhibit a lot of beautiful things, something like that. So the next one, this reveal. So reveal, right? Reveal means we try to show something, but it would be something got hidden in the past, and you would like to show it. You would like to break out the maybe something secret to make sure everybody will know it. So you may use this word reveal. All right, go to the next word. We got destroy. You know, I think this word is very common as well, so that's why I picked this one to show, to elaborate my thought in it. Okay, so destroy, you can use the word demolish. All right, demolish. So we got the word demolish. Demolish means destroy. Okay, the good term to use. And we got as well like eradicate. So we got eradicate, eradicate. And the next one is wipe out. I say a little faster, so wipe out. You probably have heard in a movie when you watch something in a movie, you probably heard somebody say, or like the city is supposed to be wiped out entirely, so we have to move on. We have to move to another city. We couldn't stay here longer. The more we stayed, the more danger we get close to, something like that. So you would say something is supposed to be wiping out, or something it got wiped out means wiped out, right? Means it's supposed to be destroying, especially the building, something like that. This word is very good one for using like eradicate. We are talking about the building. It's supposed to be collapsing. We're about to use this one. Okay, so I think three of them are good to use instead of the word destroy. You have no option. So yeah, this is like how we upgrade our vocabulary, become better, like more far significantly. Go to the next word. We got the word build. After we destroy, we have to build them back. So build, we use three of them right here. We got the word construct. This is good one. I think many of you have heard about that one as well. We got the word establish and assemble, right? Let's go to the next one, understand. We got two words right here, grasp and also comprehend. Okay, two words are good for this one. The next one, difficult. So difficult, we got or Jewish, right? Or Jewish. That means something is so complicated, whatever. And the next one, intricate. All right, we got intricate and formidable. Formidable, right? This word, formidable. So I think three of them are good in our spoken English, also written English. Everybody should consider using maybe one of them or three of them. So let's go to the next word, important, right? Important, we got three words as well. Crucial, the first one, and the second one, essential, right? Essential, I think. Yeah, three words commonly in our spoken English or generally supposed to be used by you guys. So I think, yeah, not hard to explain. It's all good, right? You guys probably got them all. So go to the next. We got the word substantial, right? Substantial. Yeah, this is what we pronounce substantial, substantial, enormous, immense, and also considerable. So when you're talking about something big, something is kind of big or something big in size, big in amount or something. So yeah, the best words to describe the things are big. All right. So you may use the word substantial, enormous, right? Immense and considerable. Considerable. Something is considerable means something is very big, like large in size, right? Large in size. Okay, so I think we are coming to an end. In this video, I'm speaking in English. Make sure everybody get to something I am demonstrating. All right. Hopefully, everybody, um, you know, will evolve your English progress. You will improve or advance everything that you definitely watch this video. Okay, so thank you. See you with the next words. Maybe I'm gonna be preparing other words. Maybe the big group of vocabulary. So we're gonna be learning more to improve our English. See you guys.